welcome to the house of love.
The rain a fall so much, but as usual, me give thanks.
And boiled dumpling with sardine. Alright guys, we never show you the fit them, so I'm gonna show you now. I'm searching guys, I'm searching for a 40. You come like a woman if you have 41 go up. I'll light you up and down.
The Wayne Stars and Sweet Red Chili.
We sit down and wait for a taxi as usual. No taxi. Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Harley and welcome to the house of love. So people, today Friday. I don't know me not do much on Friday. Yeah, me tired to say that. Me not do much on Friday. Today, me consider today as my day when me just go slow and relax people. So my bed already, as you know, can see me brush my teeth, wash my face. Me spread up the boy in bed, me sweep out the whole house, people. Tidy up the bathroom. The only thing left for me to do is tidy up the kitchen, wash up my dishes, wipe off the counter and such, and spread my bed. And me have Mateo clothing for fall up and put away, guys. But me did run go up at daddy's shop earlier. After me finish bed, me go up at daddy's shop because they pat them and stuff did up there for wash up, and because him gonna work. So me say alright, then me go rest, bed, and then me go do that. Right now me have to change my pants, people, because my pants dirty up. See there? My clothes dirty up, back as well dirty up, so I have to change my pants. And yeah, me just have to continue. Me water my plants them this morning. I did not bring out prize because the rain did a drizzle, guys. So me say me I make she stay right this today. But every time I pass there, she a cry. So me feel like say me I go just carry her out of the edge where me the carry go yesterday and make she finish just pick around and eat grass. Till tomorrow me retire her one new spot because from me get up people, the place bleak, it look like rain go fall and it's cold out. Last night was cold, but this morning when we wake up people, it was cold. So yeah, that we are gonna do. We basically just gonna chill out for today and me I go look something eat. Cause me not eat from daylight. The only thing I had was tea as usual. I don't know that. Me have some Cersei tea. Yeah. But yeah, that me I deal with people. Me not have not much to do today. So we just go chillax and I'll show you guys. If me cook or anything, I will show you guys. Me not sure me I cook today either. Yeah, so that are that people. So just stay tuned, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. So guys, me I clean up my pumpkin with the reap yesterday because I don't want to spoil. I already start. This is the last piece. I'm gonna take out the seed and slice them and wash them and put them in the bottom of the fridge so that I can use my pumpkin and it doesn't spoil. So yeah, see there? I take out some of the seed already, guys. I'm gonna take out that one here. I tell you right here, so I get trouble people. But yeah guys, me I cut it up so it not spoil. Cause I don't want it spoil. I want the seed them. So me I secure the seeds.
Alright guys, so see I cut up some of the pumpkin to put in the freezer, and these ones are going to go in the bottom of the fridge. Alright, here so me fry 2 dumpling and me have piece of leftover fish. Me I make little gravy right now to put on it, and I'm going to have this to eat. Alright guys, so see me heat up the fish with some tomato and a little bit of ketchup, and me and Matthew go have this now guys. People, the rain is pouring again, like the rain of falls so much. But as usual, me give thanks because my plants them I get water, don't? Yeah, but the rain is pouring. Yeah, me open the window, I can see. And then I close it back. But yeah, people, look. The rain is pouring. The rain is pouring, man. Alright guys, so me just get up. The rain a fall as me show you, the rain came down and it's falling really hard right now, but me glad because me empty up my drum and wash it out earlier today. Yeah, me bail out the water out of it and wash it out and empty out another one that we use along with our drinking drum, water drum. One other one did it. As you can see in my previous video, then we have 2 drums at the side of the house. One of them is for drinking and one is for just washing toilet and all that. But me empty them and me clean them out earlier today, and see the rain is falling. I did hope the rain would have fallen and full up my drinking drum as well. So me give thanks for that. Aguero reached home before the rain started falling. So that's another plus. I give thanks for that. And my plants are getting water. So it's a whole heap of plus. Give thanks to Mother Nature. Yes. Give thanks. So people, I'm just getting around folding material clothes. My mom telling me that I lay down and I sit down and I do a little bit of editing. Grand rising to you all. This is what we will be having for breakfast. Pumpkin and boiled dumpling with sardine, a little bit of spaghetti, tomato, ketchup, and the works. Yeah. And this is for Aguero. This is for Daddy. This is mine. And this is for Mateo. I'm going to cut up Mateo dumpling. And this is our tea, bush tea, oregano, and cerasee, people.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Harley and welcome back to the House of Love, guys. So people, see me and the boy them here. Yes, we are dressed and ready to go out in the town to do something for Daddy, and me go buy a couple things when we need, people. So we are taking you guys along with us. Yeah. Maybe me not go talk so much in the vlog while I'm out in the town, people, cause you know public stay. Nobody no really want you video them and stuff like that. So me I gotta try my best as possible to get as much clippings as I can. So guys, please stay tuned, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, guys, to run over to the channel and show your girl some love, people. Alright guys, we never show you the fit them, so me I gonna show you now. That is Aguero in a little t-shirt, him cargo pants, and him sneakers. Mateo in a little joggers. Come! Where you going? Leffy. Leffy, dirty. Leffy. Mateo in a little joggers, guys. And his sneakers and his shirt. And you have any marina and his chain. No, leave it. Alright, guys. This is me. In a little black top. Black hat. A white shirt. A tie. And a sneakers. Guys, we still the outer road. No taxi. Y'all know no taxi no take we up, guys. Alright guys, so we reach in Mandeville town now. And we are go uptown. Maybe come down here, so come check for one place. But I'm not down here, so I'm not down here. So we are want go uptown, guys. Come Aji. Come Baba. Come baby. Yeah guys, we want go uptown now because I'm not here, so I know down here, so I thought one was down here, but it's not. So let's go, my son. Yeah. Yeah, me soon buy the sweetie. So we're in a town, guys. We'll go up there, sir. Soon buy the bubble gum. Come, Aj, in front of me, man. In front. Oh, you're back at me. I can't see you when you're back at me. Alright, guys, me get through. I come in the store if I buy one slippers for myself and a Crocs for Mateo. So we're walking around. Beautiful. Sorry. Go on, daddy, go on. Go on up perfume size there. You have Crocs can fit him?
Yeah.
Him. Crocs.
Yeah.
Come, daddy. Come.
This one here? This one go?
A pink alone in there. A boy.
No, we have white. We have black here. Eh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me search. Come, daddy. Where all? Hold him. Don't make him go away. I don't want a pink.
No one pink?
No.
Oh.
A boy.
Yeah. This one phone. Okay.
Take off your shoes, dada.
Go. Okay. Yeah. Alright.
You fit me?
Yeah. You want more?
No, him have already.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Create them something, they grow. Exactly. Watching for slippers. I have one gold slippers already. It's a 40 odd. 41. So I got too big. I'm searching, guys. I'm searching for a 40. It come like a whole of them if it's a 41 go up. All of them looks like 41 up. I'll light you up and down. Alright, hi everyone. So me get through with two things that I came out to do, guys. Me not get through with one of them. And me just go buy tobacco for daddy. They're selling in shop. Yeah, and we are going to try to see if we can get fruits now, guys. See Mateo here. Here's Mateo with his bottle in the town. As usual. The guys. He's in front of me. Yeah. So we're gonna try to see if we can get some fruits, guys. I'll wait for my friend. Yeah, I'm supposed to wait for one of my friend. So I'm gonna wait for her, even though she'll take long. And then we're gonna go home. Yeah. I can't wait for Mateo to reach the stage where he walks by himself. He might broke my hand, guys. My hand tired and my back. Tired. Alright, we reached the fruit.
KFC saucy wings, hot and spicy wings, and sweet red chili.
Alright, people, I went to buy a phone card, but the place don't sell phone card, so I don't know what I'm going to do. But we sit down and wait on taxi as usual. No taxi. And my friend still not reach it, so we can't leave. But we are waiting on taxi, guys. See them here? Mateo. See Aguero. Aguero, say hi. Guys, we are eating fruit, so we buy melon and orange, because everything is expensive. Excuse me. I see mango, but they're expensive. I can't pay 500 for one mango. I have small blossom the pan my tree. All of my mango tree them up on me yard a blossom.
So we are eat with melon and wait, people. So y'all, she finally reached. So we in a one taxi, guys. Mattia drinking tea. We in a one taxi, guys, and me hot and tormented. Me I tell her the sun hot. I made that hurt me. Me have cold. But we soon reach home, guys. So when we reach home, me link on the back. Hi guys, it is Sunday, and I didn't get to finish the vlog yesterday, guys. Me reach home and rain did a fall, and my phone did want charge and a whole heap of stuff. So I didn't finish the vlog yesterday, guys. So me I go show you what me buy yesterday and just end off the vlog now, guys. Yeah. Me stuff up because me have cold. So I hope you can hear me or whatever. Cause me sound really awful. But yesterday in the store, we bought melon and orange when we went to the fruits man. Yeah. As you know see in the video. And in the store, yeah, I bought this top. About this green top. I was going to buy two of them. The pink one that you guys see in the video as well. But then Matthew take up one ball. And I say, alright, then me go exchange one of the top for the ball. So this is the top. This is how the back looks. I'm gonna try it on in another video and show the people. I can't try it on right now. Yeah, me buy that. And I bought this slipper. This little simple brown slippers. Yeah, never bother buy the Crocs. I don't like Crocs, people. I have about 3 or 4 of them and I throw them in a fire. I don't like Crocs. And I bought this Crocs for Mateo because he other Crocs mash up and he wants something for wear around the yard, so I bought this Crocs. And I bought a ball. We left the ball up at shop, people, so we can't show you. But yeah, that's what we did yesterday, and we came home. As we say, we got print party posters for daddy as well, and we buy 2 back of feed. And basically that's what we did and came home. Hope y'all like the video. Comment, share, subscribe, do all of that golden rules. Yeah, people. Enough love from the house of love. See you all in the next vlog. Bye, y'all. Me sound so awful. Mega blow my nose and just consider with me there. Big up on yourself. I love y'all. Please, people, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. Please. And then we realize it makes no sense you subscribe and you don't watch the videos, because you have to watch a video or 2 for your subscriptions to stick. If you just subscribe and don't watch any video on the channel or any one of the video them and you just subscribe, the subscription is not going to stay. So people, please remember, when you subscribe, watch the videos, guys. That's how the subscription stick. You can't just subscribe and leave it. And you can't just subscribe and not turn on your notification bell, guys. So I'm asking you, please, with a whole lot of love in my heart, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell and watch the videos, guys. Enough love from the house of love. Bye, y'all. Enough love from the house of love. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.